Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous video, we discussed an introduction to calcium channel blockers and the individual drugs verapamil and pepridil. If you did not watch the video, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other topics of anti-anginal agents and medicinal chemistry, links are available in the description below this video. Watch them. In this lesson, we shall discuss few other calcium channel blockers such as diltiazem, nifedipine and amlodipine. The first drug of this lesson is diltiazem. Diltiazem was approved for medical use in the US in 1982. It is a benzodiazepine derivative with antihypertensive and antiarrhythmic properties. It is chemically 5,2-dimethylaminoethyl, 2,4-methoxyphenyl, 4-oxo, 2,3,4,5 tetrahydro, 1,5-benzothiazepine, 3-allyl acetate. In the structure, both stereocenters have S configuration. As a calcium channel blocker and vasodilator, it is used as a hydrochloride in the management of angina pectoris and hypertension. It has a role as a calcium channel blocker, a vasodilator agent, and an antihypertensive agent. It is a conjugate base of a diltiazem. Diltiazem is synthesized by the condensation of 4-methoxybenzaldehyde with methyl chloroacetate in the presence of sodium methoxide in Darzin's reaction conditions give methyl ester of 3,4-methoxyphenyl glycidylic acid. Reacting this compound with 2-aminothiophene with the opening of epoxide ring gives methyl ester of 2-hydroxy 3,2-aminophenylthio 3,4-methoxyphenyl propionic acid. Hydrolysis of the resulting product with alkali leads to the formation of the corresponding acid in the form of a racemic mixture which when on interaction with alpha-phenylethylamine gives 3,O-2-hydroxy 3,2-aminophenylthio 3,4-methoxyphenyl propionic acid. Boiling this in a mixture of acetic anhydride, dimethylformamide, pyridine system brings to cyclization to the thiazepine ring and simultaneously acylates the hydroxyl group, forming cis-2,4-methoxyphenyl 3-acetoxy 2,3-dihydro 1,5-benzothiazepine 4,5-HOne. Alkylation of the resulting product with 2,2-dimethylaminoethyl chloride forms the desired product diltiazem. Diltiazem is a white crystalline powder or small crystals freely soluble in water. It is stored in a well-closed, light-resistant container. The half-life is reported to be 3 to 5 hours. Diltiazem blocks voltage-sensitive calcium channels in the blood vessels by inhibiting the ion control gating mechanisms, thereby preventing calcium levels increase by other avenues. Alternatively, it has been suggested that this agent also interferes with the release of calcium from the sarcoplasmic reticulum and inhibits the influx of extracellular calcium across both the myocardial and vascular smooth muscle cell membranes. The overall low calcium levels leads to the dilation of the main coronary and systemic arteries and decreasing myocardial contractility, decreased peripheral arterial resistance, improved oxygen delivery to the myocardial tissue and decreased cardiac output. Diltiazem is sold under the brand name Cardizem. It is a calcium channel blocker medication used to treat high blood pressure, angina, and certain heart arrhythmias. It may also be used in hyperthyroidism if beta blockers cannot be used. It is taken by mouth or injection into a vein. The next drug is nifedipine. Nifedipine was patented in 1967 and approved for use in the US in 1981. It is a first-generation calcium channel blocking agent of the dihydropyridine type used to treat hypertension and angina pectoris. Its IUPAC name is 1,4-dihydro 2,6-dimethyl 4-nitrophenyl 3,5-pyridine carboxylate dimethyl ester. It is not a nitrate, but its nitro group is essential for its anti-anginal effect. Notice that the dihydropyridines possess a central pyridine ring that is partially saturated. To this dihydropyridine ring, Positions 2 and 6 are substituted with an alkyl group that may play a role in the agent's duration of action. In addition, positions 3 and 5 are carboxylic groups that must be protected with an ester functional group. Depending on the type of ester used at these sites, the agent can be distributed to various parts of the body. Finally, position 4 requires an aromatic substitution possessing an electron withdrawing group, that is chlorides or nitrates, in the ortho and or meta position. Nifedipine is synthesized by a Hansch synthesis from two molecules of a beta dicarbonyl compound, for example methyl acetoacetate, using as the aldehyde component, for example 2-nitrobenzaldehyde and ammonia. The sequence of the intermediate stages of synthesis has not been completely established. Nifedipine appears as odorless yellow crystals or powder. It is practically insoluble in water. It should be protected from light and it is readily affected by exposure to light. Nifedipine is a calcium channel blocking agent. It inhibits the transmembrane influx of extracellular calcium ions into myocardial and vascular smooth muscle cells, causing dilation of the main coronary and systemic arteries and decreasing myocardial contractility. This agent also inhibits the drug efflux pump P-glycoprotein, which is overexpressed in some multi-drug resistant tumors and may improve the efficacy of some anti-neoplastic agents. Nifedipine is sold under the brand name Adalat. It is a calcium channel blocking agent used to manage angina, high blood pressure, Raynaud's phenomenon, and premature labor. It is one of the treatments of choice for Prinzmetal angina. It has no antiarrhythmic activity. It is taken by mouth and comes in fast and slow release formulations. The last drug of this lesson is amlodipine. Amlodipine was patented in 1982 and approved for medical use in 1990. It is a second-generation synthetic 1,4-dihydropyridine and a calcium channel blocking agent with antihypertensive and anti-anginal properties. Its IUPAC name is 2,2-amino-ethoxymethyl 4,2-chlorophenyl 1,4-dihydro 6-methyl 3,5-pyridine dicarboxylic acid 3-ethyl 5-methyl ester. Like most of the second-generation dihydropyridine derivatives, it has a greater selectivity for the vascular smooth muscle than myocardial tissue, a longer half-life, that is 34 hours, and less negative inotropy than the phototypical nifedipine. It is a fully saturated dialkyl 1,4-dihydropyridine 3,5-dicarboxylate derivative. It is a dihydropyridine, a member of monochlorobenzenes, an ethyl ester, a methyl ester, and a primary amino compound. It has a role as a calcium channel blocking agent, a vasodilator, and an antihypertensive drug. The mechanism of action of amlodipine is much similar to that of other calcium channel blockers. Amlodipine is a calcium channel blocking agent used to treat high blood pressure and coronary artery disease. It is used for the treatment of hypertension, chronic stable angina, and confirmed or suspected vasospastic angina. While not typically recommended in heart failure, amlodipine may be used if another medications are not sufficient for treating high blood pressure or heart-related chest pain. It is taken by mouth and has an effect that lasts for at least 1 day. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this lesson. The calcium channel blockers such as diltiazem, nifedipine, and amlodipine. In the next lesson, we will discuss the other calcium channel blockers. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.